Welcome to this overview of equality and diversity, an introductory workshop, delivered by Disability Action Haringey. In this workshop you will be introduced to the definitions and importance of equality, both in the workplace and in everyday life. You will learn about the 2010 Equality Act, social inclusion, discrimination, stereotypes and bias, incorporating disability awareness throughout.
The learning outcomes for this workshop include encouraging you to become more curious and comfortable around diversity. Explore and gain an understanding of what equity, diversity, and inclusion mean for the communities your community businesses serve. Identify how you might continue to improve on how you represent the diversity within your community. Explore what the perception of your organization might be from your community's perspective. Reveal and understand your own unconscious biases and how to manage these. To discuss and learn from each other how challenging situations might be managed appropriately. Consider what actions could be taken by you and your organization as a result of attending this workshop.
Throughout the session, you will have opportunities to share lived experiences, join in with discussions, ask questions, and take some quick quizzes. Let's take a closer look at what you will be covering. Understanding of the Equality Act 2010, its application, and the impact of this legislation upon your community.
We will explore, discuss, and gain a more comprehensive understanding, looking at individual themes in isolation and as part of the greater whole, to enable you to gain confidence in discussing and applying this new knowledge to your everyday lives.
You will identify the different barriers faced by your communities, and learn some of the methods which can be applied in order to address these issues. The workshop is designed to create a pathway from engagement and learning, sharing in lived experiences and working examples, to becoming able and empowered to create positive life changes. Thank you for watching this short overview, and we hope it has provided some insight into what you will be learning at our workshop.